All right, what's up? So it's funny because I was thinking about how repetitive this is gonna sound, but today's Monday. I just got back earlier, actually. I went to the doctor to get my PPD test done again because it's a two-step. I have to do it again. After this week, I should be cleared and everything's good. But right now, I'm on my way to this spot that I've been eyeing to take photos at. It is a little bit sketchy, but I'm fine. I'll be all right. I know I have to be in the street for some of the photos that I'm gonna take, so I'm wondering how that was gonna be. I was gonna go to Harbor Freight to pick up like a yellow vest or an orange vest or something, so I can be more visible, but I kind of just got lazy and didn't end up doing all that. So it's in this industrial area. I just saw security on the other side of the building, so I'm gonna still try it. I'm gonna set everything up before I park, and then once I'm set up, then I'm gonna go park in that area where I want to take photos at, so that if he does kick me out, I at least got a few shots in this. This flat area that the Ford F-150s come with has been super clutch. And then I'm gonna throw on my camera too, just in case, my Insta360 on my hat, and then we're good. I don't know, there is a camera there, so they might say something. Let me throw these on. Ooh, there's a cop right there. There's so many cops. No, security's coming. No. No. What up, bro? I gotta move. I'm caught, bro. All right, we're done. Dude, I actually was there longer than I expected. I didn't think I was gonna be there that long. Is that Codas Tacoma? Oh, I actually don't know if that was him. All right, I'm not done yet. Let's see what else we could find. I don't know if you guys are into photography and stuff. I don't want to say like I'm super into it. I like it. It's a hobby for me. I'm not nowhere near like a professional or anything, but what I like to do is I'll go on Google Maps and then I'll just street view everything and just see what looks interesting and stuff with like a cool background, and then I'll go and mess around there. A lot of my photos that I take are crap. Like I'll go home and I'll look at everything I shot today and I'll be like, man, nothing is like really good. So I don't know, this is just how I like to take photos and stuff. Let me go right. Oh, that's a cool, I don't know, STI, WRX. All right, so I can like drive into this. I don't think it's like allowed, but I don't think they would give me that much crap about it. Let's scope out what this car's doing over here. Crap, he's a security guard. I don't know. I'm gonna try it either way, dude. I kind of don't care. Worst case, he'll just tell me to leave and I'll leave. I'm just gonna like pull up next to him and just ask him. Oh, did I spook him? How's it going?
Hello.
Is it cool if I can just park here along the edge so I could take a few photos?
Yeah, just like park between the poles.
Okay, yeah.
You know? And yeah, you're fine.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Just don't go on the tracks.
Yeah, for sure. This is that Mediterranean spot we like to eat at. Oh no, here he comes. You hear that? Dude, he's gonna scare the shit out of me. That shit is so loud. Dude, that shit is hella loud.